Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a new implementation of the eMesh panel, installing it and adding scripts to it. The previous implementation with a subscription where the panel included all available scripts created a lot of questions and was not clear to people, so I decided to take a break and find another solution. At the moment I found a way to make something like a modular panel. The idea is that the user could purchase certain scripts he needed separately without purchasing what he didn't need, without any subscription, etc. I hope this will become more accessible to everyone who is interested and will raise fewer questions. In order to install an eMesh panel or an add-on for a panel, you just need to transfer the LPK files to the viewport, and all the files will be installed in the desired directory. Then you need to click OK and wait until Modo reboots. After Modo reboots, you can click on the Kits button in the top right corner, and there you will see the eMesh panel icon. Inside the panel, there is only an Edit Workbench button. Now I'll show you two ways to add additions to the eMesh panel. And so the first method, we need to open the form editor, click on the filter icon, and write the name of the add-on in the line. Next, we need to activate Workbench in the eMesh panel, then activate the Pick to Add tool, then return to the form editor and click on the found add-on. This was the first way to add new scripts to the eMesh panel. Now I will remove the add-on from the panel and show you the second method, which is more reliable. I recommend using it. In order to use the second method, you need to go to the Kits directory where add-ons for Modo are installed. Then you need to open the add-on folder, which will have a text file called Connect to eMesh Panel. You should open it and copy all the contents in it. Then go to the eMesh directory of the panel, open the eMesh config file. Inside there will be a hint where you should paste the lines you copied. Let's paste them, respecting the indentations. You can now save and close the file. Now launch Modo and go to the eMesh panel. There you should see an icon for the script that we just added using just a couple of lines. Since we use the second method, we don't need the Workbench button. Let's disable it through the form editor. I hope I was able to explain in a sufficiently informative way the installation of the panel and adding scripts to it. In any case, if you have any questions, write me. I will definitely answer. Thank you all for watching.